Tired of your crypto sitting in Phantom Wallet and want to turn it into cold, hard cash? Let's unlock the secrets to withdrawing and cashing out directly to your bank, hassle-free. First, open your Phantom Wallet app. Make sure you have the latest version installed for optimal security and functionality. We will be going step by step, so feel free to pause the video at any time. Next, tap on the Send button, which is usually located on the main screen or in the bottom navigation bar, as indicated with the red arrow. This initiates the withdrawal process, allowing you to transfer your crypto to an exchange for cashing out. Now, head over to a centralized crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, where you have an account. Navigate to the deposit section for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from Phantom. Copy the deposit address provided by the exchange. This is crucial for directing your funds correctly. Return to Phantom Wallet and paste the copied deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check the address for accuracy. Even a small error can result in lost funds. Also, select the amount you want to withdraw and proceed. We will go with 5 USOL. Carefully review the transaction details, including the amount, recipient address, and any associated transaction fees. Ensure you understand the total amount you'll be sending. Confirm the transaction. Within Phantom Wallet, you may need to authenticate with your password or biometrics. Double-checking that all of the information is correct will save you time and money. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Solana blockchain, your crypto will appear in your exchange account. This may take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Just be patient. Within the exchange, sell your cryptocurrency for your desired fiat currency, such as USD or where this usually involves selecting a trading pair, like SOL, USD, and placing a sell order. Finally, withdraw your fiat currency to your bank account. Navigate to the withdrawal section of the exchange and select your bank account as the destination. Enter the withdrawal amount and follow the exchange's instructions. Withdrawals typically take 15 business days to process. Be sure to factor in the withdrawal amount. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn crypto from Phantom Wallet and cashed out to your bank. Remember to always prioritize security and double-check all details before confirming any transaction. Now go enjoy the fruits of your labor. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.